Okay, this lecture is going to focus on window and door schedules. Every year in Skills USA or in my classroom, you are asked to make schedules. They're not very difficult to do. They are started for you automatically. If you take a look right over here in this area, it says door schedule and window schedule. You can't do your door and window schedule unless you have all of your doors and windows in or at least started. So I'm going to click on door schedule right here, and you're going to notice that the door schedule is there. But it needs to be modified. And the reason that I do it like this, because you need to know how you need to go back and add different parameters at the top. So we'll start by going to fields, and you will do this every single time. And we are going to get rid of family, and we are going to add family and type. So I'm going to go ahead and double click on family and type. It's going to come in here where family's at, and I'm going to remove family and type. They may ask for something else on the test, and you're not sure exactly what it is. You can grab any of these and rename it, all right? And so maybe URL is probably something they're not going to ask for, but I could put URL in there and rename that later on down the line and add like maybe paint or finish. So I've added family and type. I've added one here that I'm going to mess with, and now I have that in here. I can go in here and change this to finish, paint, and I can add anything that I want. All right, going through here, we've got a few different things. We want to be able to combine windows so that we don't have all the exact same ones, and then we want to relabel these. We're going to go back into filter, and this will be the same for on the test, and you're going to go to sorting and grouping, and instead of sorting them by mark, we're going to sort them by family and type. Okay, and then the rest of this is going to be by width, height. You can take a screenshot of this, make sure you have that correct right now, and then click OK. You'll see that it will condense everything that we have, and then it's going to add these up. And now I like to put letters for doors, so I'm going to rename this one A. I'm going to go down here to B, C, and this is renaming them in the drawing as well. D, E, F, and G. You will most definitely have to do this on the test. Now, if on the example they want you to use letters or they tell you what you should be using, you need to go with what they have. These are some pretty typical things that you're going to need in a door schedule. What does it look like on the floor plan? How many? The family and type, the width, the height, the head height. All of these here should be saying 7'8". Okay, we know that. So I'm actually changing the head height right now in the drawing. Except for the garage door should be 7 foot in that one. And this garage door should be at 7 feet. Okay, underneath notes, if you needed to put notes, you can type right in here white. Okay, and we could put natural underneath the next one. And once you type these in one time, they stay in there. And you could just select as well. Whoops. Or you used to be able to select. So I'll just type in white again. And there you go. All right, to do the door schedule, the window schedule is the same process. We're going to go back over here. This one looks like it's already been done, but we're going to go to edit, and we're going to go to filter, and we're going to go to the fields. We're going to add family and type once again. We're going to move it up. We're going to get rid of family. We're going to make sure that we're sorting and grouping by family and type. Then width and then height. Everything is ready to go for you. You click OK, and then we're going to make these numbers. Letters for doors, numbers for windows. And again, it could be whatever you want it to be. So they should definitely be different. And they should be, if we go look at the floor plan here in a second, you could see that. And then we'll just rename all these fours. They should have a unique number for each one. Okay, so however many you add, they'll continue to go in there. Right now we're sorting them by family and type, but then they are being separated right there. Let's go back to the floor plan, go to the O2 level, and you can see all of these have been changed. My tags have not been added. I can add my tags very quickly underneath Annotate, and we're going to go to Tag All, but we only want to tag the doors and the windows. Click Apply, click OK, There's a door. I'm not sure why all of them didn't come in. And I could just start just hovering over the area. Why are these not coming in? Okay, looks like they are there. They just need to just click right on them. I'm not sure what was going on there. So I'm just going to go click, 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 and bring them to life. It's a little different. I haven't really ever done that before. Just tagging them one at a time. All right, you can see that they all come in. That's all you need to do, and we will drag this. We will drag these right onto our schedule. That's it.